Well, hello out there, everybody. Rooster in Tennessee, roostercb.com. Another vintage tube amp going up for sale. Sweep tube amp. This is one that I would ship just cause the size of it, and it's a pretty durable case. Probably pop the tubes out of it if I did decide to ship it there if somebody didn't buy it locally. May end up going on eBay if nobody shows interest in it, but outside of that, it'll be listed on roostercb.com. And shipping will be included to the lower 48, to the continental U.S. Hawaii and Alaska have to be a little bit more. So if you're out there and you're interested in it, let me know. Pretty good looking amp. Pretty slick, pretty cool little amplifier here. 1 drive and 3 tube configuration. I can't remember exactly what tubes it uses. I think it's a 1.6 kV6 driving 3 6LQ6s, but I could be wrong on that. So if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. Basically kind of like a miniature little Thunderbolt 305 type deal here. It doesn't do the power that a Thunderbolt does, but a nice amp. Kind of cool feature that you have a meter that has multiple functions, and I don't know how accurate it necessarily is, but it has a plate volts function on it, which is where it's set at right now, and it's showing 600 volts. A little bit over 600, almost 700 there, I guess. And then it's got a watt meter section up top, which only goes to 300 watts. So I'm going to assume this amp is doing kind of what it's supposed to. Let's see if it shows 300 on here. Hello, hello. It's not going to show it on here. So again, who knows how accurate the meter is on the front of this thing. Probably just a relative output. Hello, hello, hello. Or it could read average power because the average power lines up pretty good with what this thing's doing. So missing the light cover here. Transmit light works. Preamp works, it seems like. Yeah, preamp definitely works. You can hear the relay kick in on it, so, and you can hear the static pick up on the radio, so that works. Operate and tune. I don't really know what the purpose of that one is. These switches are wore out, guys. I hate these switches on these things because they get to where they just slide into place. The power one was kind of finicky when I first messed with it. So what I would recommend doing if you get this is just plug it into like a high quality surge protector and then just turn it off and on with the surge protector. That way you're not dependent on these sorry switches. Just leave it powered up. And when you want to turn it off, just kill the surge protector. A lot of people do that with Yaesu FT101s because when those switches go out, they're almost impossible to get replacements for. Transmit and standby, it works. Again, these switches just kind of slide into place. Sideband delay does work if you want to use it on sideband. You can see that nice delay there. But, all right, that's about it. Let's get into the main meat and potatoes of it, I guess. I've already pre-tuned it for peak output, PEP. We want to test it with our little Uniden 68 LTX, and we'll see how the Big Boomer by Kris does. Alrighty. So we got a 1,000 watt slug, or no, we don't have 1,000 in here. We got a 500 in here. I lied. I tried to. Okay, 500 watt slug. Hello. She ain't doing a whole lot of average power. Hello. What was that showing? About 85 or so. And then here's your PEP. Middle scale, everybody. Hello. Audio. Check. Audio. Check. Audio. A little bit over 300, so 300 to 350 PEP. I'd like to see a little more average power out of it, but that's what she does. I'll list it up on the website. Pack it to the best of my ability. I'll pop the tubes out of it and put them in a separate box, bubble wrap them, and then probably put some bubble wrap on the inside of this and then wrap it good on the outside if somebody wants to buy it and wants me to ship it. It will be listed locally as well. And again, if nobody shows any interest in it in a week or so, I'll toss it on eBay and let it bring what it brings. Alrighty, guys, I appreciate it. Alrighty, guys, I appreciate it. Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. Hope you enjoy the video. Questions, comments, shoot me a text. Let me know what you think about this thing. Big Boomer bass amp. Thanks, everybody. See you. Bye.